So here you guys, I'm back with another video, back with it, back with it. Hey guys, so if you follow me on any of my social media, you know that I am a huge Maybelline fan. I just feel like they make really good quality products and it works for all skin tones. So recently I picked up a couple of new Maybelline products, so I just wanted to use them in a look. My most important one being this Soda Pop palette, which I'm really excited for. So everyone was going crazy over the Lemonade palette, but I felt like this Soda Pop palette had a lot more colors that were dark skin friendly, like, you know, for my skin tone. So I picked it up. This is her. I'm going to give you like a really quick view of the colors. So this is what she looks like. So yeah, I filmed with that. I used one of their new master chromes. So they have a new master chrome in Topaz, which of course is dark skin friendly, so I used that. They released new shades in their SuperStay foundation. I used that, so I used my SuperStay foundation. I used this. I used this, which is the palette. I used two of the lip paint colors, the matte ink. So I used two of the matte ink colors. They're not new in production, but it's new to me. So I'm going to apologize in advance for the way that my video filmed. So I tried out a new lens and it just was not like, it wasn't a good idea. The brightness was too high considering with my lighting and my lighting overhead, and it was just all too much. So my entire video is super bright. So you guys can see like the finished product and what the color really looks like. I switched my lens back to my old lens, and you can really see the colors here. You can see even the blue under my eyes, and you can see like more detail in my skin because I kind of looked really washed out before. Hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. Check out my page. So if you're new to the family, subscribe, click the link down below, join me. Hopefully I'll be having a lot more content coming soon. I'm really excited to show you guys what else that I have. That I bought like a ton of products lately and I really want to do looks with them. So I'm gonna probably be uploading a lot more videos a lot sooner. So enjoy the tutorial. Bye. So first we're gonna start off with the Master Primer in Blur and Smooth in the shade 100. Then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 55 Hazelnut. I just like applying this a little bit to areas where I get darker at first, just so I can color correct my skin and make my foundation apply with more coverage. Now I'm going to use my SuperStay foundation. This is in the shade 370 in Deep Bronze. They just released new shades, which I'm really excited for because I was waiting forever for them. And I'm just going to blend this out all over my face just to get a good finish. By the way, the brush is a Real Techniques brush. It's a blush brush, but I like using it for foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 40 Dark. And I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to apply it all over my face. A good tip with applying powders is to roll the sponge back and forth across your face so you get a nice even finish. Now I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Hazelnut, and I'm going to apply it in the areas where I want the light to catch. So down the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, on my chin, and above my lip. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe contour and highlighting sponge, and I'm just going to blend out all of the colors on my skin. I really like this sponge because it gets really big, it's really soft, and it has that flat end that's easy to get in hard to reach areas. Now I'm going to go in with the Fit Me powder in 35. Oops, dropped a little bit. Didn't mean to. 35, just so you can see the color. And I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. First, I'm going to press it in using the same sponge, just to press it in and melt it into my skin. And then I'm going to go over that again with more powder and allow that to set. I feel like this gives me a really good highlight. I'm just going to cut the jaw just a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline SuperStay foundation. Well, it's a multi-use foundation stick in the color Espresso. Just to carve out those cheeks. And my nose. This is what you look like when it's time to go and you have like an hour left. I'm going to use a Morphe G1 brush to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just going to brush away the powder. I'm using a concealer brush from e.l.f. just to blend out my nose contour. And now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place blush palette. I'm using the shade Abby, and this is in the volume 1. Love this blush palette. Now I'm going in with some ColourPop blush in the shade, I forgot the shade. ColourPop blush in the shade Currently. Love this shade, love this shade. And now I'm going to use the new Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in shade 200, and that is Topaz. I really like applying my highlighter in a C shape from the brow bone across to my cheeks. I think it looks really, really pretty in the light. Doing that on both ends. And then I'm going to apply a little bit to my nose with my finger and a little bit above the lip. This is my mirror, just so you guys know. I'm going to pull out a mirror. This is my Impressions mirror. I found it in TJ Maxx for like $10, and it lights up. It's really good. Now I'm going to apply my P. Louise base in number 5 to my lid, and I'm just going to take a flat eyeliner brush, and I'm going to blend it out all over my lid. I think this base is one of the top bases because it makes any eyeshadow pop. So I'm just, layering it across my lid. Then I'm going to use my new Maybelline Lash Sensational Boosting Serum. This is to help your lashes grow, but you have to let it dry for a little while. So I like to apply it before I apply my lashes and my mascara, just so it has enough time to dry. I have actually seen results with this already, so I'm really excited about it. Now for things you've been waiting for, the Soda Pop palette. So first color I'm going in with is Crushing. It's an orange. Remember, my camera's a little bit washed out, so the colors don't look as dark as they actually appear. It's not as faded as it looks. Now I'm going to go in with Cola Float and apply that over it. And then I'm going to go in with Cherry on Top and apply that next. The last color I'm going to go in with is Root Beer, and that's for the crease, the outer V crease. So I'm going to use that and brush it in there, give it some dimension. Now to blend all of the colors together, I'm going to go back in with Cherry on Top, and I'm going to go over my crease with that color, and then on Cola Float right under the brow bone, just for a nice blend. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the P. Louise base. Cutting a crease is not easy. I'm actually horrible at it, especially because my lids are so foldy. But I'm going to apply it anyway, using the same flat eyeliner brush. I'm not going to go all the way, only like 3/4 of the way. And then I'm going to take Cherry Cola, and I'm going to press it onto the lid. Tap, tap, tap motions. Tap, tap, tap across the entire lid. Well, and across everywhere that I cut the crease. Okay? And I'm going to go in with 2 SuperStay ink. First color I'm going to go in with is 45 in the shade Escapist, and I'm going to use it to line my lips. I thought that the colors were actually pretty deceiving on the bottle. They actually don't look like what they come out with, but I still like them, so I wasn't pretty disappointed with it. Next, I'm going to go over it with Protector in the number 85. It's like a brownish kind of color, and I actually really like the finish of that. Now I'm going to go over my lid with some liner, some Fenty Beauty liner, and then Essence mascara. It's the green tube. I don't remember what it's called. And then I'm going to take Soda Fizz and put that in my inner corner for inner corner highlight. Now I'm going to go back in with my Master Chrome highlight, only because I felt like it disappeared. Trick is, tip of the nose, bridge, but leave a little gap in the center. Really pretty. So I went and applied my lashes, and now I'm going to take Blue Raspberry and apply it underneath my lid. I actually forgot to do this step. I put my mascara on first, but it's okay because I can go back in. And this is literally the finished look. It looks so pretty. Get you a little bit up close. I switched my lens over so you can see the colors. And this is what it looks like. See, it's a lot more pigmented than it looked during the video. That's it.